Hey everyone, I'm Oboypapi, and if you're looking to earn hundreds or even thousands of cedis daily on TikTok without having any skills, you have to watch this video all the way through. The best part is you don't have to make any of these videos yourself. I will show you the huge opportunity on TikTok and introduce you to a tool that will help you to create incredible short videos effortlessly. This is going to be an amazing video, so make sure you stay until the end, okay? Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. Let's dive in. You can begin earning money on TikTok by posting videos. Yes, you heard that right. TikTok now compensate content creators who upload videos to their platform, similar to YouTube, where ads run on the videos you upload. TikTok offers a way for creators to monetize their content. Many people are taking advantage of this opportunity to make remarkable profit. It's 2024 and I'm sure you don't want to be posting videos on TikTok without earning money. However, this chance is only available in certain countries. Let me explain further. There are numerous ways to earn money on TikTok, but if you are from Africa or Ghana, your monetization options are limited to 4 options: subscriptions, work with artists, live gifts, and video gifts. Unlike other countries such as the UK, France, United States, Brazil, Germany, Korea, and Japan have access to additional monetization features like the Creator Rewards Program and the Creator Marketplace. As a content creator in Ghana, like myself, you are not eligible to make money from longer videos, so only those with international TikTok accounts can monetize long videos. This opportunity is only available to countries mentioned above. My method works perfectly with international TikTok accounts. I even have a video that explains how to create one, and be sure to watch that video before continuing with this one. You are going to create a new TikTok account using this method. During account setup, choose a brand name for your account. Next, you are going to select an image. Regularly uploading videos will help you meet the criteria for monetization. I have tools available that can assist you in growing your audience. Though they are not free, kindly message me directly for these tools to help you reach 10,000 followers and 100,000 views required for monetization. Now, our next move is to begin posting videos to increase the account growth, okay?